What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to review SWADESI stuff, men brown dial and leather straps analog watch SDS 137. Let's get started. So let's start unboxing. Again, this is from Myntra. As usual, we'll start cutting it from our head knife. This is the tax invoice. The actual price is 1,995. I brought it for 338 rupees. You can see it. So this is the boxing. The package is not that great, it is simple. That's all you would expect for a 300 rupees watch. We have the watch itself and the certification of warranty. It begs for 5-star review. Nothing else apart from that. And it says how to use the strap, adjustable strap, and general guidelines about the clock. And the packing, as I said, it's not that great. Usually buy it in a localized shop. It's with the styrofoam and a plastic cover. It says SWADESI stuff men's brand watch, leather strap, analog watch. The seller code is SDS137. The watch feels premium. There's no dial lock by default, and the back side of the watch is not that great. Let me get rid of all this. So it says made in India, a quality product, but the quality doesn't come with this. It says it's a leather strap, but the impressions of leather is not there, but it feels like leather. The white circles are in black color and rough edges, and the dial is in rose gold. I mean the hands and the time. There are the 24 hours, 60 hours and minutes hand inside a small circle which is still dummy. And the logo says SWADESI stuff. That's all about this watch. It doesn't feel that great. Let's have a look how it fits on hand. Easy to wear. This is how it looks on hand. By default it had come with the time set, which didn't have a dial lock by default. Detail of this will be followed in this video, and if you want to buy this watch, I'll leave the Myntra link in the description. You can go and buy, which is very cheap. That is 338 rupees, that's it.